Hello, I am Dr. Stephen, and welcome to Gentle Health. Did you know that after the age of 65, most adults lose almost 1% of their muscle mass every year, even if they stay active? This is not just about strength. Muscle is connected to your metabolism, balance, brain health, and even how long you live. Here is the surprising part. Many seniors eat more protein, take daily walks, even lift light weights, but the muscle loss still continues. Energy drops, legs feel weaker, and belly fat starts to build. Why? It is not simply aging. It is something happening inside your metabolism called anabolic resistance. After 60, your body becomes less efficient at turning protein into muscle. The pathway inside your muscle cells that tells them to grow becomes less active due to inflammation, changes in insulin, and nutrient deficiencies. You may eat enough protein, but much of it is burned for fuel or stored as fat instead of building strength. The solution is not just more protein, but making your muscles more responsive to it. Certain nutrients like leucine, creatine, and other natural compounds can wake up the muscle-building process, even in older adults. Timing matters too. Aim for 30 to 40 grams of protein in a single meal, especially in the morning, and pair it with light resistance exercises. One simple and proven method is adding creatine monohydrate to your morning coffee. Creatine is not only for athletes, it helps your muscles produce the energy they need to contract, repair, and grow. When taken with healthy fats like MCT oil or grass-fed butter, it also supports steady energy and helps keep stress hormones balanced. Here is how to make it. Brew your regular coffee. Add 3 to 5 grams of pure creatine monohydrate, 1 teaspoon of MCT oil or grass-fed ghee, and if you like, a scoop of collagen peptides. Stir or blend well, then enjoy it before light movement, like a walk or resistance band exercises. Research shows that older adults who take creatine and do light strength training gain more muscle, improve strength, and feel less fatigued. It also supports brain health and mitochondrial function, which is like upgrading the power plants inside your cells. To protect your muscles even more, lower inflammation by avoiding refined seed oils, hidden sugars, and processed foods. Eat anti-inflammatory foods like olive oil, fatty fish, and fermented vegetables. Support your gut health and keep your blood sugar steady with protein-rich breakfasts. You are not powerless against muscle loss. By improving protein use, reducing inflammation, balancing hormones, and energizing your cells, you can stay strong, steady, and independent at any age. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Gentle Health. I share clear, science-based tips every week to help you age with strength, energy, and confidence. Until next time, take care of your body. It knows how to heal.